Hey guys, my name's Zach Fisher, and today I'm just going to be going through what my group's been working on. And we went ahead and we made a sales pitch for what would be our study abroad trip for Costa Rica. And yeah, we just wanted to present some different stuff involving that. So yeah, here goes. So first off, we wanted to do is like a holistic approach. We kind of have this acronym going into it, and we have this holistic approach looking at every single aspect of Costa Rica, whether it be their technology, whether it be the people, the language, businesses, job opportunities, whatever it may be. We want to take a full approach on that and not cheat anyone out of like maybe like doing more technology and not getting to experience any of Costa Rica, maybe or maybe even experiencing too much of Costa Rica and not being able to look too much into technology. The next thing we're going to look at is experiential learning. So this will involve with technology actually on hand in Costa Rica, and we'll be able to look at the technology they have and being able to learn through that. And it'll be a really cool experience to use some new technology that maybe we've never seen before, but also just being able to better connect with the people who are using that technology on a daily basis. So I think that'll be a very interesting opportunity to partake in. And then we come across these cross-cultural exchanges. So we have this really cool opportunity to be able to interact with people from Costa Rica and being able to talk with them, whether about be something about our culture, their culture, and being able to maybe see how they're different, maybe see how they're the same. So I think it's a really cool opportunity just to be able to meet some new people. Then we look at just global information technologies in general. I mean, that's a whole part of this trip is being able to look at the different technologies within the globe and then being able to maybe open up our eyes and being able to say, okay, what other technologies out there right now? And then we have language immersion for the last one to be able to say, like, hey, this is also a chance to really get to learn a little bit of Spanish and being able to really be immersed in the different language. And I think that's just a really cool part of the trip where it's like you take that little bit of holistic approach and add this in there as a really cool part of it. So we kind of have this HEGEL acronym going on. So yeah. Then we have this 5W1H. We have a who, what, when, where, why, how. So any students at App State can go to this study abroad trip, but mainly college business students. This is an affordable trip to Costa Rica to learn about the new technologies. It's going to be during the spring semester. It's going to be from Charlotte to Costa Rica. Why we're going there is to learn more about the culture and technology there. And then we're going to do this through faculty and thorough planning with stuff like this and WBS and data dictionaries and stuff like that. And so, yeah, this is our little QR code that we'd have to have people sign up. Just again, some more pictures to be able to show. And this is our slogan on the bottom right saying, empower your future and make an impact on the world with our SDG focused Costa Rica study abroad trip where sustainability meets innovation through global information technology. Yeah, so that's it.